Hello everyone! For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can see your liked reels on Instagram. First step, as usual, open your Instagram account and make sure that you are logged in. Then, press the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and press the three lines located at the top right corner of your screen. Here, just go to your activity and under interactions, you'll see likes. You'll also see here different options such as content you shared, removed and archived content, and many more. For now, press likes and here you'll see all the reels that you've liked and even the photos or videos that you've also liked. You can sort them by newest to oldest or oldest to newest and even filter by date and authors. That's all for this video, and if this helped you, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and the notification button.